On today's break, we're at Tropicana Field to see the Tampa Bay Rays take on the New York Yankees in the second week of the Subway Series. We're also catching the Yankees batting practice and finding out what jersey the Rays will be wearing. My name's Brian, and I'm on break. Hello and welcome to Brian on Break. Last week, the Rays were able to sweep the Mets, but this week, they're taking on the number 2 Yankees. So will the Rays be able to do the same to the Yankees that they did to the Mets? And will my luck be any better at batting practice this week? Last week, I wasn't able to catch any fly balls at the Mets batting practice. But this week, I'm giving another shot at the Yankees batting practice. And unfortunately, the Rays lost against the Chicago White Sox, ending their winning streak since debuting in their Rays City Connect jerseys. So tonight, will the Rays be back in their retro Rays jerseys, or will they still be holding strong in their City Connect jerseys? Let's go inside and start our break. We got here early, but I guess when the Yankees are in town, batting practice is cut short. What's going on, Nate?
What's up, man?
How's it going, man? Hey, are we going to be in the City Connect jerseys tonight? Tomorrow, so we're back in the Devil Rays.
They just were like, let's wear them all week. But yeah, so Devil Rays tonight, and then City Connect back again tomorrow. So.
All right, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, it's good to meet you, man.
Of course, yeah.
We talked to Nate. He confirmed that the Rays are going to be back in their retro jerseys, and they won't be in the City Connects till tomorrow.
Number 24, Alex Verdugo. That fifth, the designated number 27.
Call it right, Valentine!
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and raise up for your Tampa.
Let's go, Rays! Straw! Got the Yankees on deck. The game's about to start. Let's hope for 3 up and 3 down. Easy out!
The Whiz Kids had won it, Bobby Thompson had done it, and Yogi read the comics all the while. Rock and roll was being born, marijuana we would scorn. So down on the corner the national pastime went on trial. We're talking baseball, Klazuski, Campanella, talking baseball. The man and Bobby Fella, the Scooter, the Barber and the Nuke. They knew them all from Boston to Dubuque, especially Willie, Mickey and the Duke. Well, KC was winning, Hank Aaron was beginning, one Robbie going out, one coming in. Kiner and Midget Goodell, the Thumper and Mel Parnell, and Ike was the only one winning down in Washington. I'm talking
Rays lose. That's the first Friday game we lost this year. We have tomorrow and Sunday to try and beat the Yankees. Oh well.
say hey, say hey, say talking Willie, Mickey and the Duke. Say hey, say hey, say hey, Willie, Mickey and the Duke. Say hey, say hey, say hey, say Willie, Mickey and the Duke. Say hey, say hey, say hey.
What a disappointing game that was. The Rays weren't able to beat the Yankees and have back-to-back Friday night home game wins for the Subway Series. We also missed the Yankees batting practice, and the Rays were back in their retro Devil Rays jerseys. Better luck Saturday and Sunday against the Yankees, and until next time, my name's Brian, and my break's over. On this bonus break, I'm on a mission to locate Space Milk. Recently released was the Star Wars True Moo Blue Milk. I'm here at Target. Let's go inside and try and find it. Where are they keeping the Space Milk? This must be the right way. Star Wars Goldfish. We're still trying to locate our Space Milk, but we can check out the Legos real quick. Here we have the Millennium Falcon Star Wars Lego set. Sure looks a lot better than the ones they had back in the day. A lot more details in this one, but it's a lot more expensive than they used to be. The blue milk is real. We have to locate the Space Milk. If we can't find the blue milk, maybe we can grow our own blue milk. Take this. I think I found the Space Milk. Here we go, the True Moo Star Wars Blue Space Milk. Right now that we've located our Space Milk, let's go buy it so we can try it. All right, let's buy our milk. Got our receipt. Here we are. Got our blue milk. I got my milk cup. Let's go ahead and shake it up. And we can try it out. See what blue milk actually tastes like. It looks a little thick. All right, here we are. A little late for May the 4th, but just in time for some blue milk. All right, definitely tastes like milk with some sugar in it, but has a nice vanilla flavor, almost like a melted vanilla milkshake. I'm gonna try a little bit more. Stir it up though. It took a little bit to stir it up. It's a little bit thicker than regular milk. All right, well, it was a lot cheaper to go to Target and buy the blue milk than buy a ticket to Hollywood Studios at Disney to try the blue milk. But we'll have to go there one day on our break to try the green milk. But at least we got to try our blue milk. Today's bonus break, if you get a chance, go out and get the True Moo Star Wars Blue Milk. Howdy, neighbor. Oh, it's just milk. Yeah, it's blue. That's how I do it. I also bring the carton with me.